Welcome to our guide on understanding PayPal errors. The PayPal session timed out, please log in again error is a common issue that many users encounter. This error message appears when PayPal automatically ends your active session after a period of inactivity. PayPal does this for security reasons to protect your account. It forces you to log back in, ensuring that only you can access your account and preventing unauthorized access. PayPal implements session timeouts as a critical security measure. Session timeouts are designed to protect your financial information by automatically ending your login session after a period of inactivity. Without session timeouts, anyone who finds your unattended computer could access your account and potentially steal your money or personal information. On public Wi-Fi, hackers can intercept your connection and potentially steal your login session, allowing them to make unauthorized transactions. By implementing session timeouts, PayPal ensures that your account remains secure even if you forget to log out manually. Understanding these security measures helps you use PayPal more safely. Browser extensions, particularly those for security, privacy, or ad blocking, can sometimes interfere with PayPal's functionality, leading to session timeouts. In your browser, these extensions appear as icons near the address bar. Some may block necessary PayPal features or scripts. When extensions conflict with PayPal, it can disrupt the session, causing timeouts. The interference might block data flow or security checks. To identify the problem, temporarily disable your extensions one by one. Start with security-related extensions first. After disabling each extension, try accessing PayPal again to see if the session timeout issue is resolved. If disabling a specific extension fixes the problem, you can either remove it entirely or check its settings to allow PayPal functionality. This systematic approach helps isolate which extension is causing the conflict with PayPal. Some browsers offer settings to adjust session timeout durations. However, PayPal's security policies primarily control these timeouts, making adjustments limited or often unavailable for important security reasons. If session timeout adjustments are available, approach them carefully. Understand that extending timeouts may increase security risks by keeping sessions active longer than necessary. Always prioritize security when considering any timeout adjustments. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an essential layer of security to your PayPal account. Instead of relying solely on your password, 2FA requires two different verification methods before granting access. The first factor is typically your password, which you know. The second factor is usually a temporary code sent to your mobile phone, which you have. This combination makes unauthorized access much more difficult. The key benefit of 2FA is that even if someone discovers or steals your password, they still cannot access your PayPal account without the second authentication factor. This significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access and helps protect your financial information. Imagine a potential security breach being blocked by this extra layer of protection. 2FA acts as a powerful barrier against unauthorized access attempts. By enabling 2FA on your PayPal account, you add this crucial security layer that helps safeguard your money and personal information from potential threats. Keeping your software updated is crucial for protecting against vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Outdated software often contains security weaknesses. Hackers can exploit these vulnerabilities to gain access to your system and potentially your PayPal account. To stay protected, regularly update your operating system, web browser, and security software. Enable automatic updates whenever possible to ensure you always have the latest security patches. Secure password practices are essential for protecting your PayPal account and other online services. Strong passwords are your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Use unique passwords for each account, especially for financial services like PayPal. Strong passwords protect against hacking attempts, prevent account takeover, and safeguard your financial information. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name or birth date. Don't use common words, sequential patterns, or reuse the same password across multiple accounts. For example, a strong password might be XY7PL9-MQ2N with mixed characters. Avoid weak passwords like password123 that are easily guessed. Consider using a password manager to generate and securely store strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. Remember, secure password practices are crucial for protecting your PayPal account.